Should you buy Osmo Action?
Well, I don't know, because I'm just a small potato. I boil potato for this scene. So in all seriousness, tomorrow DJI is going to announce a new product, Osmo Action, which has been leaked pretty much 99%. These are the specs, which is probably similar as GoPro. GoPro has been an amazing action camera, but it does have that distortion because it's really wide. What we expect from Osmo Action, maybe not this GoPro distortion. And what I'm really excited about to find out is that it's going to have LCD monitor to actually give you the live feed. This on GoPro only shows you the setting. Price is estimated to be around 350, which is basically in the same region as these two cameras, with pretty much similar function in terms of resolution and frame rates. So if you're looking to buy a new action camera and you're not quite sure which one to get, well, let me spend my money for you. I'll come back with an in-depth and honest review after Osmo Action is released to the public. That's 1 minute, and I hope I didn't actually waste too much of your time with a little clickbait. I apologize. 죄송합니다. And I will come back with some interesting gadget reviews. So stay tuned and hit that like button. See you!